Register yourself on Scratch. What do you have to do? Go to your respective computer channels. I have already shared the link for Scratch over here. So you can see here, either you can click on this icon, or you can just click on this Scratch Imagine Program Share. Okay, you can see it is already showing the link. Just click on this. It will open in your Google Chrome. So this is the window that it will show. Here it says scratch.mit.edu, or you can directly go to Google Chrome and you can type this. This is one way. Another way, so go to Google Chrome and then Scratch online. So it will show you a number of links over here. You can just select Scratch online. So again, you are back to the same window. Okay. This is how it will show, and you can read the tabs over here: create, explore, ideas, about, join Scratch, and sign in. Please remember, join Scratch is used when you are creating your account for the first time. Okay, and sign in is used after creating your account once created. So from the next time onwards, you will be just signing in. So I'm clicking on join Scratch because I want to create a new account. So here create a username. So you can choose your username, and it is preferable to choose a username that you can remember very easily. So let's say, for example, Raghuveer is the username. So I'm just giving the name, which could be a first name, Raghuveer. And then if you want to use an underscore, you can use it. Otherwise, you can directly give your GR number. Okay, so I just gave an example. So this is the first name and the GR number. So this is the combination I have chosen. And also, please remember this, you are not supposed to give any spaces in between. So let's say, for example, you are giving a space, okay, and you're trying to create a password, you're continuing the process. You can see the error over here: usernames can't have spaces. Okay, so you need to make sure there are no spaces in between. And the create a password, so by default show password button is already selected. So which is easy for you to remember, and you can cross check as well. If you want to turn this off, you can turn this off. Okay, so it is saying username taken, try another. Then I have to change another one. So this is the username I have selected. Because it was showing an error, it was already taken. Okay, so I'm choosing a password, and make sure you're writing the password that you have, are setting. Okay, so since Raghuveer, so I will have a password R V at the rate. You can use a star also, but it's easy if you remember the frequently used ones. Let's say, for example, you can also choose a password that you used it for your story jumper or for your teams at the rate, and your GR number. Okay, and the alphabets combination, I have taken the first name of my first letter, sorry, the first letter of my first name and the first letter of my last name. Okay, you can also suggest click on strong password, and then it says type password again. Whatever you have typed here, you need to repeat the same. So make sure it is the same. If it doesn't match, it will not help you to create your account. Okay. So you can just cross check, quickly write this down because this is very much necessary from the next time onwards whenever you sign in. Okay, then follow the process next. So now at this point of time, it is asking you to save the password. You can see here username of Scratch and password. You can see here. You can verify this also by clicking on this I icon and then click on save. Okay. And then what country do you live in? So, you know, it's India. So browse from here and then select the country. Click on next. And when were you born? So it is asking you the month and the year. And then click on next. So it is asking you the gender. So if it is a girl, you can select female. If it is a male, a boy, you can select a male. So what's your email? Email in the sense you can provide your Gmail ID or your parents' Gmail ID. So it is better if you provide your parents' Gmail ID. And also make sure you're noting this down. Then click on create your account. Yeah. So it has successfully created your account. You can see here, welcome to Scratch, Raghuveer9486. This is the username. And then you're logged in. And then if you can see at the end, this was the Gmail ID or the email ID I have provided. So any notification, we will get it to this. Okay. And then click on get started. So you can see it allowed me to log in. You can see here, this is how you will cross check Raghuveer 9486. So this is my username over here. Okay, and whatever work that is saved will be under my stuff. Okay, so once your work is done, once you have created all your clips, what you can do, you can just simply sign out. Okay. And now again, the same process, what you can do, either you can, if you want to join the link directly, you can go to your computer channel and you can click from here. This is one way, or directly go to the Google and then just type Scratch online. So you will find the link scratch.mit.edu. Just click on this. And then now, since you have already created an account, so you will not use join Scratch. You will use only sign in. And since I have saved in the third step where it was asking me to save, then at that moment I have saved my username and password. So it has directly filled my username and password for me. Otherwise, you need to, if it is not saved, you need to type manually. Okay. Yeah. And then sign in. You can see it is signed in. So this is how you can log on to your Scratch. So every time this works in your mobile and tablet, anywhere. You just need a Google Chrome and a username and password. That's it.